Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a Rubik's Cube challenge. Basic idea is I'm going to have a timer running and we're just going to see how long it takes me to solve this thing. Yeah, I thought it'd be a bit of fun to figure out if I could do it and how long it's going to take me. Yeah, let's get it started. So I don't really... It's actually fun just to spin it. I can see why people actually get addicted to it. It's actually quite fun. I'm trying to go for the green here, so you can see I've got 3 in a row and that's probably taken me about 5 minutes, but look, I'm really enjoying this. I don't understand this thing. How can I get that to there? Oh, fuck me dead, what in... This is actually so much fun. Fuck off! Okay, so I've been at the cube for quite a while now. My progress update, I've made this little white cross here. Apparently that's really good. I'm going to leave it for tonight. I've got to get up early tomorrow obviously, so I'll leave it for today and come back and see how we go tomorrow. I can't sleep. I don't know, I thought I'd get up and at least do a bit of Rubik's Cube. See if that puts me back to sleep. I don't know. So I couldn't really sleep last night. I tried a few different things. Yeah, I did a bit of Rubik's Cube. I don't know. So tired, so tired. Hi Karen, it's Darren from work. How are you? Yeah, I'm not too bad. Yeah, look, I woke up this morning really crook. I think it's my stomach. And I don't know if I can come into work today. So I've been gone for a while and I'm still trying to get the face. I've tried a few different things. I just can't...
You're not working there?
No, I called in sick. I've been crook this morning.
Are you still coming to my birthday party? Or?
Yeah, it's at 7, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no issue, no worries, I'll be there.
Yeah,
sure. Alright, I'll catch you later.
Yeah.
So yeah, I've tried a few different methods. Hey bro, I don't think I'll be able to make it your birthday night, sorry man. Yeah, I've just been crook and yeah, I'm really feeling pretty shitty, so probably best I stay home. Nah, easy. Have a good night anyway. Okay, see ya. So I've been going for about 24 hours now. Progress is quite good, I feel like I'm getting along nicely, but yeah, I'm a bit worried about how much time I'm spending on the cube. I'm sort of obsessed with it. Yeah, it'll be good to finally finish and just relax a bit, let my mind rest, but at this stage it's all I can think about, so yeah, it's going well. I've been doing the Rubik's Cube for 7 days and it's taken over my life. All I can think about is Rubik's Cube. When I close my eyes, that's all I see. I'm getting closer to finishing. My life has become the Rubik's Cube.
Shut up! I'm trying to concentrate!
I start making good progress, but it's hard when my brother is playing the guitar every few minutes.
Shut up!
I'm trying to concentrate and it's like he doesn't care.
Shut up!
Sarah broke up with me today. Said I haven't been spending time with her, but it's not the end of the world for me really. I've got the cube and that's all I'll ever need. What are you doing?
You alright?
Yeah, why?
I just haven't seen you in like a week.
I'm fine, man. I'm just... How about some privacy? Have you heard of knocking before? Just piss off, mate.
Motivated.
Just Milk next time.
Man, what are you up to? Darren?
So about 3 months ago, I had my breakdown, and since then I've been enrolled here at the rehabilitation centre. They normally deal with drug and alcohol addiction, but I haven't felt out of place. It's been great. I suppose I needed to be here, to be honest. My life started to fall apart. My girlfriend broke up with me. I lost my job. My life was a mess, to be honest. So to come here and I haven't seen a cube in 3 months, so it's been great. My mind's at rest. I feel really good. So yeah, it's my last day here today. So I'm really looking forward to getting out and seeing my friends and family and just trying to get my life back on track. So obviously I'm home now after 3 months at the rehabilitation centre. My time there was great, just to sort of clear my mind and, I don't know, not see a Rubik's Cube for 3 months. It was really good for me. Obviously I'm not going to finish the Rubik's Cube video, so yeah, I'm going to start a new YouTube video tomorrow. Just keep an eye out for that. But yeah, I just wanted to thank everyone for the support the last few months. It's meant a lot to me, and yeah, I'm really grateful. So yeah, cheers.
Why would you leave me alone? Leave me alone. I'm trying to get on with my life. So hard. Done it. I finished. What was my time?
3 months. So that's the Rubik's Cube challenge. It's taken me just over 3 months, a little bit longer than I expected, but still a pretty good time. Yeah, look, I've really enjoyed it. It's been a lot of fun, and yeah, I don't know, I guess I'll try to get a bit quicker time next time, but that's my Rubik's Cube challenge. I hope you enjoyed watching. I really enjoyed doing it. It's just a really fun challenge. So just over 3 months, not too bad. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.